So, okay, this is part 2 of the thing. Where is Tristan? Where is he? He's not here, guys. Where is he? Oh my god! Oh. What the hell? Ah! I just hit my foot on the wall. Farting.
Can I try to end the video again?
No.
Why?
No. No. I still see you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I still see your arm. I see your shirt. I see your head. I see a bit of your shirt.
Are you kidding me?
I don't see any of you. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What did you just hit me with? What did you just hit me with?
Nothing.
The iPad?
No. Guys, in the comments, tell Tristan what I hit with him. I mean, hit him with. Tell me.
But
Or
the
tell him.
comments are usually disabled.
I know how to turn them on now.